Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anjani, and if you're seeing this face for the first time, then hi, my name is Anjani and I do all makeup, fashion and lifestyle related videos. So if you would like to take a moment and subscribe to my channel and join the family, then it would mean a world to me. So yeah. Okay, so today's video is going to be about laser hair removal. So yes, I'm going to talk you to all the topics about laser hair removals. I'm going to tell you about the side effects, about the procedure, about how it works and how I feel because I have gone through a full body laser hair removal. So I'm going to also let you know my experience about how it works. Still my sessions are going on, so yeah, I'm probably gonna give you all the reviews and all the things required to know before you go for a laser hair removal in this topic. Even if you feel that if you have any other questions or queries about this procedure, then you can feel free and let me know in the comments below and I'm going to answer them all. So yeah, without further ado, let's begin with the video. First, I'm going to tell you what is laser hair removal. Laser hair removal is a common cosmetic procedure which is done on your body to remove and reduce your hair growth. And the procedure is like they beams a light into your skin, and that light touches your hair follicles and it disturbs and damages your hair follicles, so it results in less hair growth. So this is all about laser hair removal. Now I'm going to tell you what are the benefits of getting laser hair removal. Guys, my battery went off, so I'm recording the rest of the video on my mobile, so please bear with the quality. Okay, so I was talking about a laser hair removal process. So the first thing which comes is that what are the benefits that you are going to get from the laser hair removal if you are going to go with the procedure, right? So the benefits that you are going to get is that there will be a major reduce of hair growth on your skin. So you will be able to see after sessions that your hair starts growing back very often, and it takes a lot more time than the usual time which you take right now before the procedure. It takes a lot more time to grow back once you are starting with this procedure. So before laser hair removal, I used to do waxing, and once I do waxing, within a week I start to see the strands coming out of my skin, and it takes 1 month to grow back for the next waxing, right? So that was the hair growth which I had. For the laser hair treatment, what you need to take care before one day before going to laser you get your laser treatment done. So before that, it's recommended that you oil your if you're getting your whole body laser treatment, then it's recommended that you massage your hair, massage your body with oil, and then take a bath so that your skin is prepped for the next day. So it's going to give you a more better results in your skin, and visibly you will be able to see a difference in your skin, that your skin is feeling very smooth. It does not have any itching, because if you have a sensitive skin, then maybe after laser treatment for one day you can get some itching and somewhat like that. So I have not faced itching and everything throughout the laser treatment, but there are a few times when my skin was feeling very sensitive and I was having rashes and itching, but it was just for one day, and my skin was already dry and sensitive, so that tend to be reacted on the laser treatment. So yeah, that is the one thing which you need to prep before you're getting your laser treatments done. Now, once your laser treatment has started, how the procedure is done through the laser treatment. The first thing that is done on your body is they remove your hair with the razor, and they remove the hair in the direction of your hair growth, and they remove all the hair. After that, there is a gel which is very cold. It is applied all over your parts where you are getting your laser done, and it's very chilled. It's very chilled, and then they put the shots of laser treatment on your body. So suppose if you're getting your laser treatment on your hand, so they're gonna apply a cream over here on your hand, and then they're gonna give the shots on your hands. So that is gonna prevent your skin from getting burned, because if they directly put the laser on your skin, then your skin get burned. So that thanda layer which they apply on your skin, that is a gel form which they apply on your skin, that is going to protect you from the laser burns, and also it's going to make your skin very calm and soothing. So yeah, that is the laser hair treatment. I get my full body laser hair treatment. After first session itself, I started seeing a huge hair there was a long time to take my hair grown back. Like, as I said, that as I mentioned, that when I used to do waxing, my hair started to grow within a week, and within a month it's ready for the next waxing. But after my laser hair treatment, after 3 to 4 sessions, I tend to see that my hair grows back after 2 months or 2.5 months, which is in a full condition to be razored and to be done laser hair treatment. So that is the result which I have seen. And now after 1 year, after taking 10 to 11 sessions of my laser hair treatment, I have seen massive difference in my hair growth. Now I'm getting my laser treatments after 3 months, because my hair does not grow back. So this is, as you guys can see, that there is no hair growth right now, and it's more than a month now that I have gone under my laser hair treatment. So you cannot even see my hair coming on my hands. So this is the massive difference. Also, the best thing which I felt about laser hair is you are free to wear anything. You can wear any clothes, and you don't need to even worry about the hairs, because after laser hair treatments, after few sessions, the hair which is growing back, you will be able to see that they are very minor, that even it is not visible from a distance. So they are so much minor, and it becomes thin, the hair strands becomes thin, so you are not able to see it from a distance. And if you just come close to my hand, and if you see, then only you will be able to see the hair. Otherwise, from a distance, nobody is able to notice that you are even having a hair. So that is the best thing which I felt after getting this laser hair treatment, that I don't need even to think twice whatever I want to wear. Because so if you have any spots on your hands or on your body or any part of your body, it also helps in reducing that spots. So that is the things which I have seen through my laser hair treatment, and that are the differences which I have seen in my skin. One thing which you always need to take care after you are getting the laser hair treatment is that you need to start using scrub for your body or for the parts where you're getting your laser hair treatment, because we cannot do waxing after you have started getting laser treatment. You need to apply body lotion. If you have a really sensitive skin, I apply body lotion after every laser treatment done, so that my body feels moisturized. Topic, that does it have any side effects or no guys, it does not have any side effects from the laser treatment, because you are getting it done from a professional, and yeah, there are no such side effects. If you have some sort of reactions after your treatments done, then you can contact your dermatologist and your skin specialist to get it checked whether your skin is okay with that treatment or not. You can also take a patch test from the laser from where you are getting your laser done. You can also ask them for a patch test, and they will be able to do it. And once your skin is okay with it, then you can go ahead and get your appointments done. Okay, but majorly in most of the cases there are no such side effects which I have seen. I have not seen any side effects on me, at least. Yes, one thing you need to take care is you cannot get your laser hair treatments or sessions during your pregnancy, or if you are going through any procedure, or if you are going through any operation, or if you are going through any medical treatments. So you need to make sure that if your health is all good, if you're going through any medical conditions, then you cannot get your laser treatments done. So before getting all the things, before booking your appointments, make sure that you check out everything from your side, and then invest in it. Now let's come to the topic. about prices. The prices vary from different salons where they are doing the laser treatment. The prices vary according to them. The one which I have got done from is from Rediscover, but usually it's from 80,000 to 1 lakh, maximum 1 lakh for the laser hair treatment. It depends upon the place where you are getting your treatment done and on the sessions that you are getting for your laser hair treatment. The amount of time they are expecting us to stop our hair growth is around 10 to 12 sessions, and your hair growth may be reduced. But in some cases, if you have a huge hair growth, then you may see that your hair growth has not completely stopped. It still comes, but it will take a long time, and then you can go for the maintenance sessions so that your hair is completely removed after a period of time. So you can, after your sessions are over, you can go for a maintenance sessions which are not that expensive. Even you can get it done after 4 to 5 months, because you will be able to see huge difference in your skin, in your hair growth, and you don't that you take a guideline from your dermatologist or have a proper conversation with the person whom you are inquiring about this procedure. So yeah, that is all for my laser hair treatment, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel and join the family. And if you found this video helpful, and also guys, if you have any other questions other than what I mentioned in this video, then please let me know in the comments below, and I will make sure to answer all your questions. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.